The pressure is on them because they have to tie with Manil and force that playoff. De Los Santos to spin. Nice bounce pass inside. And Kiev somehow getting that one up and in. At ang mga taga-Rizal. To this play, De Los Santos eluding the defender. Draws the defender in Bonifacio and then the bounce pass to Kiev.
Musical artist, of course. And
the spin, the pass by Cortez to Andrada. Bingo! Another 3 by Yukien. To Yuki. The spin, nice pass by Jacob. And Fuego. Sunbet up. 28-22.
Oxon pops out. Oxon finds Gozum. Plus the foul. Lunchtime is over, pero merong merienda para dito kay Will Gozum.
Now they have a chance to move closer. Ochavo, wow! What a setup by Ochavo to Maguliano.
Like sir, pambabago na. And I love it dahil for him to have a breakout game. It's the first game that I'm covering San Sebastian. But
how about this setup by Ochavo?
Magandang umbakis na dyan.
Diyan nabuhay si Larry Rodriguez in the PBX. Ito naman.
But meanwhile, that good alley-oop. Bawian ng turnover.
Ito yung alley-oop. Kanina pa nila pinipilit yung play na yan. Hindi nila magawa-gawa talaga eh. Pero
kaya lahat yan, expected mo 4 puntos lahat. And at the same time, they should know their roles. Importante din yan.
Trends sa fourth quarter ay pakitaan naman ng Knights ng energy ang kalaban. Now can the Knights climb up this steep mountain and come back? Ano sa tingin niyo, Martin and Coach Hammer?
Wala, itong si Paeng Are. Sadat. Si Lunag yung dapat kukuha doon kay Paeng. Again, Are.
Malyari, handoff to JL Capulong with the finish. Baby Shaq trying to throw it down against 2 yellow shirt. And a great setup by Danny Malyari. JL Capulong getting up there.
11 offensive rebounds already for the Perpetual Altas in the first 5 minutes of the game.
Yes.
And the reverse drops for Gael Montaño. Pero tatawagan siya ng foul dito. Ito yung crossover. Guadagna, bounce pass sa loob. Beautiful playmaking from...
Wow! Naabot pa yun ni Christian Pagana. The hand time.
Iba na ang athletic talaga eh, no?
Hernandez now. Step through. The find. Jopet Soriano. Automatic +1 for Jopet Soriano.
Ang laki ng improvement niya on the way that he finishes. Tingnan mo, off the catch in traffic.
Yeah. Look the time though from Paolo Hernandez. Step through and then trusting Soriano to make the catch.
Haba rin ito ni Jopet Soriano.
The Heavy Bombers are on the loose. Argente to Medina first. And then another takeaway by JL.
Cookies.
Now he facilitates this lob for Jonathan Medina.
Bola, usually pagka kay Sean, automatic na yan eh. Pero ngayon, hindi sila makakonvert dahil nga hirap sila sa ilalim na wala yung source.
Samantala, Nat Cosejo puts EAC on top by 10.
Chavo has 6 seconds to work with. Chavo will have to create. Oh, beautiful find. Extra pass to Cosejo. It's good!
Pasensya.
Poise under pressure.
Oh, parang yung nabibilis. 2 shots. Penetration to drop. Ganda ng seal. Wala nang magagawa si Ralph Robin. Dahil, ay nga siya parang Sam Perkins. Alam mo, magkahulma yan eh. You need to reload. The pass.
Turco scores off the great assist by Will Gozum with potential, with the length and the height, but the finishing is
of the game for Paeng Are and his 4th steal already. Oh, beautiful find. Joshua Giab on the receiving end again.